The bigger vision is such a powerful tool. We create the bigger vision exercise with the premise of begin with the end in mind. Or another way to say it is figure out what you want as your outcome and then reverse engineer it to determine what has to happen now to move forward to get it. That's the concept. The strategy is choose the time frame in which you want to do it. So if you're looking at what do you want to accomplish today, as Todd was saying, well, then the outcome would be by the end of today. If you want to do it a week, which we call kind of the weekly sprint, then it would be at the end of the week. This is what I want to accomplish. This is the outcome I want. If it's a 90-day sprint, which is what the tool that we use, then it would be 90 days. The bigger vision, we say 1 year. But it's interesting, as you spread that out, and as you continue to evolve in this program and move down the road towards practice freedom, the road towards practice freedom, we're all on that road. As you move down the road, your vision starts to expand from a leadership, ownership way. You start to expand the vision.